Today, I'll be sharing some top tips to help you capitalize on the current market trends and potentially achieve financial success. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risks, and it's crucial to do your own research and consult with financial experts before making any decisions. With that said, let's dive into the top tips. The first step to thrive in the 2023 bull market is thorough research. Understand the market trends, economic indicators, and the sectors that are expected to perform well. Diversification is key to managing risk, so spread your investments across various industries and asset classes. This way, you'll be better protected against potential downturns in any particular sector. Keep a long-term perspective in mind. While market fluctuations are inevitable, the bull market tends to reward patient investors. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term price movements. Stay focused on your investment strategy, and remember that wealth building is a gradual process. The 2023 bull market is characterized by rapid technological advancements. Consider investing in companies that are at the forefront of innovation such as artificial intelligence, biotechnology, clean energy, and blockchain. These sectors have the potential for exponential growth and can be lucrative in the long run. As exciting as bull markets are, they can also be volatile. Keep an eye on market trends and be prepared for fluctuations. Set stop-loss orders to protect your gains and prevent significant losses. Remember, staying informed and adaptable is essential in navigating the market's ups and downs. In addition to stocks and bonds, consider allocating a portion of your portfolio to real assets and commodities. Real estate can offer stable returns and serve as a hedge against inflation, while precious metals like gold can act as a store of value during uncertain economic times. If you're unsure about where to invest or how to allocate your funds, don't hesitate to seek advice from a qualified financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your financial goals and risk tolerance, helping you make informed decisions aligned with your circumstances. And there you have it, top tips on how to get rich in the 2023 bull market. Remember, while investing in a bull market can be rewarding, it also comes with inherent risks. Stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and keep a long-term perspective. Happy investing!
If you found this video useful, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.